Hello my dear students, I am back again, this time with a few questions on quantitative aptitude, and today I would like to discuss the concept of work. What is work all about will be what we will be discussing. While I was doing my general awareness newspaper analysis session, I could read a few comments from you that you were eagerly awaiting the session on mathematics, but unfortunately now nobody is seen. I hope all of you will come back. Yes, hello, good afternoon Vandana, good afternoon all. So we shall be soon starting the session on quantitative aptitude. I shall be teaching you from the fundamentals. Of course, in my recorded sessions I have already taught you in detail the concepts of time and work, and was waiting for the live class. Yes, I was awaiting all of you. Good afternoon everyone. See, in the live session we shall discuss a lot of questions, a few questions, but I firmly believe that the recorded session where we gave the classes, they are the fundamentals, and we have given a plenty of questions for you to work out, practice all of them, and whatever doubts you may have in between you can ask. I shall try to assuage your doubts. So shall we start? Yes, I want more people joining. I shall give a few more seconds for all of you. I shall give you questions, I shall ask you to do, and then I shall solve it on the board. That will be my methodology. In between I plan to keep my personal stopwatch also, so that I will get an idea who all have mastered what are taught through the video lectures. Okay, so shall we start? Is my team ready? Okay, so we shall start. The topic that we would learn today is the concept of work, time and work. I am very sure that all who have attended our classes know the topic very well. Of course, there are a few beginners too, but this class is open to everyone. I shall first of all teach you how the questions are done in conventional way, how it was done in schools. Then we shall do the questions, approach the questions in our own method, our own way. I will not call it my method or our method, but I would call it that we would be approaching the questions by looking at them from a different angle. I am very sure that when tougher questions come, the so called methodology that we adopt would give us the lead. So shall we begin? This is the first question. My stopwatch starts. Please do the question. I am giving you 30 seconds time. The time starts now. I do not want to talk in between and disturb you. Do the questions. Yes, your 30 seconds are over. So this is a question. Roger can do a piece of work in 8 days, Anthony can complete it in 5 days, in how many days will both of them together complete the job? So how do we do this question? Roger can do a piece of work in 8 days, Anthony can do it in 5 days, so total work is LCM 40, Roger's efficiency is 5, Anthony's efficiency is 8, total efficiency is 13, so both of them will take 40 by 13, 3 and 1 by 13, which is our answer. Yes, many people have given the choice 2, excellent, good, 13 and 1 by 3 is correct, excellent. I am very happy to hear that you all enjoy the contest and you participate the contest. Do not worry, if you have not got answer, that is it, no issue at all. Magic cannot be expected, but through continuous practice you will definitely be able to. So yes, many people have got the answer choice 2. So first of all, I am going to teach you how this question was done in schools, for which I will take a different figure, and then I shall teach you once again our method. I know that many people have already done the question, I am very happy to see that. Anyway, suppose A is a person who can do the question in say 10 days and B can do it in 15 days. How do we do this question fundamentally? How we were taught this question in schools, that is what we would like to know. I can do a piece of work in 2 days. I can do a piece of work in 2 days. I can clean this studio room in 2 days. So in 1 day, what portion of the work will be done by me? 1 by 2. Today 1 by 2, tomorrow 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1 full job is done. I can do a job in 3 days. So in 1 day, how much work will be done by me? 1 by 3. Today 1 by 3, tomorrow 1 by 3, the day after tomorrow 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 1 full job is done. I can do a job in 4 days. In 1 day I will do 1 by 4 of the job. Similarly, A can do a job in 10 days. So what is A's 1 day work? A's 1 day work is 1 by 10. B can do the job in 15 days. So what is B's 1 day work? 1 by 15. So A's 1 day work is 1 by 10, B's 1 day work is 1 by 15. This is what I told you. Now if A and B work together, if A and B work together, what is their work in 1 day? Their work in 1 day will be A will do 1 by 10, B will do 1 by 15, both of them will do 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. So what is the total work then done by them in 1 day? 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15, which is 5 by 30 or 1 by 6. So we know that in 1 day A and B will do 1/6 of the work. So how long will they take to do the job? Listen, A's 1 day work is 1 by 10. How long will A take to do the job? 10 days. I can do half the work in a day. So to do the full work, how long will it take? 2 days. I can do 1/3 of the work in a day. So to do the full work, how long will it take? 3 days. How did we get? In 1 day, if I do 1/3 of the job, to do the full job I will take 3 by 1, 3 days. In 1 day I will do half the job, so to do the full job I will take 2 by 1, 2 days. From this we know that the time taken is the reciprocal of the work done in unit time. Time taken is the reciprocal of the work done in unit time. We have used only some very basic fundamental concepts. So now I come back to the question. A's 1 day work is 1 by 10. How long will A take to do the job? 10 by 1, 10 days. Look, as per the question, A can do the question in 10 days. B's 1 day work is 1 by 15. So to do the full job, how long will B take? 15 by 1, 15 days. If that were the case, and if A and B do 1 by 6 of the job in 1 day, so to do the full job, A and B will take 6 by 1, 6 days. the reciprocal of the work done in unit time. In one day A and B will do 1/6 of the job. So, to do the full job A and B will take 6 days. Okay. So, listen, this is how we were taught in schools, and this is the real fundamental method. We should know this concept very well. We should know the concept that the time taken is the reciprocal of the work done in unit time. These ideas we have to use when we do tougher questions. Now, I turn to, I hope all of you have understood. Shall I proceed with our method? Shall I? Okay. So, I am going to proceed with our method. So, let us begin. Roger can do a job in 8 days and Anthony can do the job in 5 days. Let me ask you a question, who is more efficient? Is it Roger or Anthony who is more efficient? We know that Anthony is more efficient. Why? Because he takes fewer days. Roger, who takes more days, is less efficient, while Anthony, who takes fewer days, is more efficient. I just asked a question. Now, before doing this question, I would like to teach you the fundamentals. What is work? What is work? What is work speaking in terms of mathematics? Of course, those who learn physics will say that work is force into displacement. But we are not discussing physics here, we are discussing math. So, in math, what is work? Work is application of efficiency. What is work? Work is application of efficiency. Suppose I have the efficiency of teaching you mathematics. At 3 o'clock I announced a class and I come here and I start sleeping. After 4 o'clock, at 4 o'clock, will you accept that I worked for 1 hour? No. Why? Because I have not applied my efficiency. This is the fundamental concept of work. So, what is work? Work is application of efficiency. So, we know that to do a work we have to apply our efficiency, and we equally know that to apply the efficiency we have to put in time. So, we know that for a work to be done, 2 aspects are to be there. First of all, you got to be efficient. Second, you got to apply time. So, these are the only 3 things. Look, this is a simple first degree equation, a very simple equation where there are only 3 elements: work, efficiency and time. And what is the relationship? We know that the more efficient you are, the greater the work that you do, and we know the longer you apply your efficiency, the greater the work that you do. So, we know that work is equal to efficiency into time. A very, very simple fundamental equation. The entire edifice of this chapter of work and time revolves around this equation: work is equal to efficiency into time. From this equation we know that efficiency is work by time and time is work by efficiency. A few more basic fundamental things that I would like to tell you. We know that efficiency and time are inversely proportional. The greater efficiency you have, the shorter the time that you will take. Further, work is efficiency into time. So, the measurement of work will be the measurement of efficiency into measurement of time. Measurement of work is equal to measurement of efficiency into measurement of time. Work is generally measured in man days. Work is generally measured in man days. Ladies need not bother much, it can be woman days too, don't worry. So, it can be man days or woman days. It can be man hour or woman hour or boy hour or girl day or boy day. Man stands for efficiency, day stands for time. See, whenever we learn something, make sure that you learn it foolproof. So, let us, in this particular equation, there are only 3 people. Who are they? Work, efficiency and time. Work, we know. What is work? Application of efficiency. Time we all experience, so I am not going to define time. Time is something that we all experience. So, what is efficiency? So, I am going to define what efficiency is. Listen, we know that work is equal to efficiency into time. When time is equal to 1, when the value of t, time is equal to 1, we know that work is equal to efficiency. When time is 1, work is equal to efficiency, or efficiency is equal to work. This is the definition for efficiency. What is efficiency? Efficiency is work done when time is unity. Efficiency is work done in unit time. So I am going to write down that also here. What is efficiency? Efficiency is work done in unit time. I am very sure that people who have been attending our classes for the past few months know these things very well, because not just I, many other teachers also have done the questions many a time, discussed a lot of questions of different levels of toughness. So I am very sure that for those people who have been seriously going through the classes, this question is just a child's play, and those who joined today or recently, with a lot of practice, I am sure that soon it will become a child play for you too. So let us start. So I am going to start this question again. There are two people, Roger and Anthony. Roger takes 8 days to do the job, Anthony takes 5 days to do the job. See, whenever you are given a question, whether it is math or English or reasoning or general awareness or anything, chemistry or physics or anything, whenever you are given a question, the first thing that should strike your mind is what is asked. The second, to solve the question, what are the inputs that are needed. Third, of course, you can probe what are the inputs that are given. Always progress like this. What is asked first, what are the inputs that are needed to solve this question second, and what are the inputs that are provided third. Always progress like that. That will make our job very much simple. Okay, here what is asked, Roger can do a job in 8 days, Anthony can do it in 5 days. If both of them work together, how long will they take to do the job? That is a question. If both of them work together, how long will they take to do the job? So what is asked? Time is asked. We know only one equation, work is equal to efficiency into time. This is the only equation that we know, work is equal to efficiency into time. So what is asked here? Time is asked. What is time? Time is equal to work by efficiency. Time is equal to work by efficiency. So we want to find out what time is. If Roger and Anthony work together, how long will they take to do the job? So time is asked. To find time, we require two inputs. What are the work? What is the efficiency, combined efficiency of A and B, sorry, Roger and Anthony. So work, you assume anything. This is the freedom that I give you. Work, you assume anything. Work can be 8, work can be 5, work can be 1, work can be 1.25, anything. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, any number of your preference, you assume it as work. But for the sake of convenience, always assume the LCM of individual days. Roger 8 days, Anthony 5 days. Immediately assume the work as 40. What is 40? LCM. LCM. Work is 40. Now, what is Roger's efficiency? We know that efficiency is work by time. To do 40 work, Roger takes 8 days. So what is Roger's efficiency? 40 by 8, 5. What is Anthony's efficiency? Efficiency is work by time. To do 40 work, Anthony takes 5 days. So Anthony's efficiency is 40 by 5, 8. So what is the combined efficiency of Roger and Anthony? 5 plus 8, 13. This 13 efficiency is asked to do 40 work. Total work is 40, and we have got Roger's efficiency as well as Anthony's efficiency. So 13 efficiency is available. So 40 work, 13 efficiency will take. 40 by 30. We know that time is work by efficiency. Time taken by Roger and Anthony is 40 work by 13 efficiency, which is 3 and 1 by 13 days. That is your answer. Most of you got it. I am very glad to know that. Okay, sir, this method is excellent and this is really a healthy competition. Yes, it is really a healthy competition. We are learning together. It is called peer learning. I am very happy to know, and thank you for the comment. Anyway, so this is something that I taught in our video 2, our video classes 2. So I hope you have understood how I have arrived the answer at 13 and 1 by 13. Our answer is the second option, and your choice were very correct. Okay, so I am going to give you another question. So get ready with your pen and paper, or maybe a few of you can even do it in mind. So your 30 seconds would start right now. Yes, the time is up. 30 seconds time is up. So I require answers. Okay, a few people have got, many have given answer as 60 or third choice, both are the same. 60 the third choice. Okay, good, good, good. Oh yeah, excellent. Many people have answered. So now I am going to do it in mind. A and B can do the job in 15 days, B alone in 20 days. Immediately my total work is LCM 60. A plus B's efficiency is 4, 60 by 15, 4. B's efficiency is 60 by 23. So A plus B 4 efficiency, B 3 efficiency. If that is the case, A's efficiency must be 1. 60 work, 1 efficiency, 60 by 1, 60 days is your answer. Very simple. Very simple. So I am very happy to know that a good number of people have given the answer correct. Okay, we shall proceed. We shall proceed. Yes, good. So shall I start? A and B can do a job in 15 days. B alone does it in 20 days. How long will A alone take to do the job? This is the question. So again I go to the fundamentals. What are the fundamentals? First, ask yourself what is asked. What is asked? The time taken by A is asked. To find the time taken by A, what are the inputs that you require? What is the work that A is asked to do? And what is the efficiency of A? These are the only two inputs that you require. Okay. Let us start. I assume the work to be 60. The work to be 60. Where did I get 60 from? LCM of 15 and 20. Anything I can assume, but for the sake of convenience, I took the LCM. If you take the LCM, you can avoid the issue of fraction. Okay. So what is A plus B's efficiency? To do 60 work, A and B take 15 days. Efficiency is 4. Why? We know that efficiency is work by time. To do 60 work, A and B take 15 days. So A and B's efficiency is 60 by 15, 4. What is B's efficiency? 60 by 23. So A plus B's efficiency is 4, B's efficiency is 3. Look, A plus B is 4. In that B alone is having 3. So A's efficiency must be 1. Look, A plus B, 1 plus 3 is 4. So we got everything. We know that A's efficiency is 1 and A is asked to do 60 work. How long will it take? Time is work by efficiency. To do 60 work, A will take 60 by 1, 60 days. That is it. This is how we arrived at the answer. Third option, 60 days. Very good. Excellent. I am very proud of all of you. So I am going to start with my third question. Okay, Udyog Seva, I know all of you know 𝒂𝐿 𝒍𝒚 is our mobile application and it is powered by our ICD, and we know that this particular course, the first 3 days sessions are free. Anybody who wants to join the course can watch the course first and try to understand how meticulously it is planned, then you can join. Let me proceed. This 𝒂𝐿 𝒍𝒚 is available in Google Play. Okay, this is the third question and your time starts the next 30 seconds. You have to do this question. I am going to keep time for you. Yes, the time is up. The time is up. Let the answers come. Okay. First choice 100, second choice somebody has answered 200. Okay, good, good, good. Fourth option is 200. 150. Let everybody be there. Pretty happy. This is what is called competition. Dare to commit errors, no issue. We are learning. We are in the learning curve. We are learning in the learning process. So it doesn't matter whether who got the correct answer. It would matter only later on. Now we are just learning. Okay, so shall I do this question? A alone can complete a job in 6 days, and if he completes his job he will get 300 rupees. But if he engages his assistant, they will do the job in 4 days. Okay, if A engages his assistant, they will be able to do the job in 4 days. This is the question. So find the share received by the assistant. I am going to do it in mind. A can do the job in 6 days, A plus assistant can do the job in 4 days. So what is the total work? 12. So we can say that it is to do 12 work that 300 rupees is given. What is A's efficiency? 2. What is A plus assistant's efficiency? 3. So we can say that it is for contributing 3 efficiency that 300 rupees is given. Then what is assistant's efficiency? 1. So assistant should get 100 rupee, finished. Let us do this question. A can do the job alone in 6 days, A plus assistant 4 days. You can do this question in many ways. Immediately I assume the work to be 12. Where did I get 12 from? LCM. So what is A's efficiency? 12 by 6, 2. What is A plus assistant's efficiency? 12 by 4, 3. Listen, you can interpret this question in many ways. One, that it is for 12 days that 300 rupees is given. That is one way of doing. 12 work, 300 rupees. So how much work does assistant do? We know that assistant is having 1 efficiency. So 1 efficiency, 4 days, 4 work is done. In that way you can do. Look, total work is 12. It is for 12 work that rupees 300 is given. What does assistant do? We know that assistant is having 1 efficiency and he works for 4 days. Assistant plus A complete the work in 4 days. So assistant also works for 4 days. So he will do 4 work. 1/3 work, 1/3 rupees. This is one way of doing. Otherwise you can think like this. We know that assistant plus A have contributed 3 efficiency. So it is for 3 efficiency that we pay 300 rupees. What is the contribution of the assistant? 1 efficiency. Out of total 3, assistant is having 1 efficiency. How did you get? Assistant plus A 3, in that A alone has 2, so assistant has 1 efficiency. So 3 efficiency, out of total 3 efficiency, 1 is contributed by A assistant. So assistant must be given 1/3 the amount, 1/3 of total 300 is 100. So I have taught you both the things because I want you to think in a very liberal, freer way. So here I calculated the work, for 12 work 300, so 4 work 100. Here I said for 3 efficiency 300, so 1 efficiency 100. Both are the same. Both are the same. We have to do it, our mind has to be very, very flexible. That is why I approach the question in both the ways. I hope you all have understood. Are you happy with the way it is taught? Hello? Let us have some response from you. Excuse me. All of you have understood? Oh yes, good to hear that all of you have understood. Excellent. If anyone has any doubt, you may please type it. I am prepared to repeat. Yes, thank you, thank you. So thank you all. So I am going to proceed to my next question, and I shall soon start using my timer. The time starts right now. So time is over. Let us start getting the answers. Third option, okay. Fourth option, okay. Good. First option, yes. 4, option number 4, okay, good. 4, let us see. Let us see. First option, 19 by 1 and 9 by 11, okay. Fourth option, so. Many people vote for 3, many others have voted for 4. So I am going to start. First of all, I am going to do this question in mind. We have to be comfortable with numbers. No need for a sorry, Anjita. Of course, it could be a typographical error, no issue at all. A can do a job in 4 days, B in 5 days, C in 10 days. Immediately my total work is 20, the LCM. A's efficiency is 5, 20 by 4, 5. B's efficiency is 4, 20 by 5, 4. C's efficiency is 2, 20 by 10, 2. So 5 plus 4 plus 10, 11 is the combined efficiency. 20 work, 11 efficiency will take 20 by 11, 1 and 9 by 11. Fourth option is your answer. It's all that we have to be comfortable with numbers, and that comfort can come only if you do innumerable practice questions. There is no other go. So let us begin. A can do a job in 4 days, B does it in 5 days, C does it in 10 days. Immediately my total work is 20. I assume the work to be 20. Where did I get 20 from? 20 is the LCM of the independent days, 4, 5 and 10. So what are the efficiencies? A's efficiency is 5, B's efficiency is 4, C's efficiency is 2. So what is the combined efficiency? 5 plus 4 plus 2, A plus B plus C efficiency, 5 plus 4 plus 2, 11 efficiency. If they work together, we have 11 efficiency to perform the work, and this efficiency does how much work? 20 work. 20 work can be done by 11 efficiencies, 20 by 11, which is 1 and 9 by 11 days. So our answer is the fourth option. Good that most of you got fourth, but others who have not got the answer need not be disappointed at all. Just practice. It is all about practice. These are all preliminary level questions, but these can come for the preliminary exams too. So I am going to again start my stopwatch. I am going to give you another question. The fifth one starts right now. Yes, your time is over. Let the answers come. Post your answer, please. First choice, okay. Let us see whether it is first choice. Fourth option, okay. Where have the students gone? We have got around 2000 students. Where have they gone? All have been telling us that they wanted live sessions. When the live sessions come, few people have come up for the show. Okay, first option. Many people have posted first as the option, correct option. So let us see. So I am going to do it in mind first. A and B undertake to do a piece of work for 600 rupees. So if they finish the job, they will get 600 rupees. A does it in 6 days, B does it in 8 days. With the help of C, they finish the work in 3 days. Find the share of each one of them. Okay, let us begin. A does it in 6 days, B does it in 8 days. With the help of C, they means A plus B plus C do the job in 3 days. Immediately my total work is 24, LCM of 6, 8 and 3. A's efficiency is 4, B's efficiency is 3, A plus B plus C's efficiency is 8, 24 by 3. So A plus B plus C 8 efficiency. It is for contributing 8 efficiency that we pay 600 rupees. So what is A's contribution? 4 efficiency, 24 by 6, 4. So out of 8, 4 is contributed by A, so A should get half the amount, 300 will go to A. Out of 800, B's contribution is, out of 8 efficiency, B's contribution is 3. So B should get 3 by 8 of 600, which is 225, second option. What is C's share? Out of total 8, C contributes only 1 efficiency, so 1 by 8 of the share should go to C, he should get 75 rupees. So let us begin. A can do the job in 6 days, B does it in 8 days, A plus B plus C do the job in 3 days. Look, with the help of C, A and B. So if they finish the job, they will get 600 rupees. We know that to finish the job, they require efficiency. We shall find out the efficiency of each one of them. So total work I assume it as 24. 24 work it is for 24 work that 600 rupees is given. That is one way of looking at it. We can say that A's efficiency is 4, 24 by 6 4, B's efficiency is 24 by 8 3, A plus B plus C efficiency is 24 by 3 8. We can equally say that it is for contributing 8 efficiency that 600 rupees is given. 600 rupees is what you will get if you do the job. All of them contribute 8 efficiency to do this job. So it is for 800 rupees, sorry, it is for 8 efficiency that 600 rupees is given. That is very clear. Now I am going to find out A's share, B's share and C's share. Out of total 8 efficiency, 4 is contributed by A. So A should get 4 by 8 or half the money into 600. So 300 will go to A. Out of 8, what is B's share? 3 efficiency. So 3 by 8 of 600, 225 will go to B. Out of total 8, C's share is 1. Look, A plus B plus C 8 efficiency. In that A and B alone have 7. So the balance 1 is contributed by C. So out of total 8 efficiency, 1 is contributed by C. So 1 by 8 of the share 600, 75 should go to C. So our answer is 300 for A, 225 for B and 75 for C. The first option is your answer. Congratulations to those who got the answers. Others need not be disappointed at all. We have just begun. Continue work, continue to do the hard work. Okay, so I am going to give you another questions to all of you. Let me start the question. The sixth one I shall give you now. The time starts right now. Which question? So let us begin this question. A can do a piece of work in 7 days of 9 hours each. B can do it in 6 hours of 7 hours each. Okay. Fourth option, first option. Okay. Okay. So shall I proceed? Fine. A can do the job in 63 hours, 7 days of 9 hours each. In 1 day 9 hours, 7 days 63 hours, 7 9s are 63. B can do the job in 42 hours. In 1 day 7 hours, 6 days 6 7s are 42 hours. So I have rewritten this question as A can do the job in 63 hours, B can do it in 42 hours. Immediately my total work is the LCM 126. How do you take the LCMs quickly? The mantra is this: go to the bigger number, go for its multiple. Very simple. 63 and 42 are the two numbers whose LCM we have to take. So go to the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 63 rather. In 63, 42 will not go, so that is not the LCM. Go to the bigger number, go to its multiple, 126. 126 by 42 3 times. Yes, it is possible. So 126 is LCM. So efficiency of A is 2 126 by 63, that of B is 126 by 42 3. Now if they work together, how long will they take? We know that if they work together, they will take 126 by 5 hours. A and B are having 5 efficiency. So to do 126 work, 5 efficiency will take 126 by 5 hours. Now we require the answer in days. In one day they will do work for 8 and 2 by 5 hours, meaning 42 by 2 hours, 42 by 5 hours. 8 and 2 by 5 means 42 by 5 hours. So in one day 42 by 5, so how many days will they take? Divide this by 42 by 5 or 5 by 42, this get cancelled. 3 hours, 3 days is our answer. Our answer is the fourth option, 3 days. Yes, a few people have got the answer, a good number I would say have got the answer. Excellent, good, good to hear that many of you have got the answers. Okay, so I think I can move on to the next question. I am setting my clock, your timer rather. The 7th question and the time starts right now. Yes, the time is over. Time is over. Your 30 seconds are over. It's the time for me to receive your answers. Don't worry, don't get tensed. We are not going to win any gold trophy now. It's just a small challenge, that's all. Take it very lightly. Hello, let the answers come. Prove that you are my students. Oh, fourth option, first answer has come, fourth option. Okay. Second option, message retracted. Third option. Okay, so first is missing, all 4 3. Okay, first option, Athira, first option. Okay, good. So now everybody has voted for all the candidates. Every candidate in the 5th option is missing, that can also come. I enjoy the contest, very good, I enjoy it. So shall we start? Rahul takes twice as much time as Manik and twice as much as Sachin to complete a job. If working together they can complete the job in 4 days, find the time taken by each of them separately to complete the work. So listen, there are 3 people, Rahul, Manik and Sachin. Who is linked with the other 2? Rahul takes twice as much as Manik, Rahul takes thrice as much as Sachin. So Rahul is linked with both, so I am going to write Rahul in the middle. There are 3 people, Manik, Rahul and Sachin. Okay, Rahul, Manik, Rahul and Sachin. And as far as time is concerned, not efficiency, time is concerned, Rahul takes twice as much time as Manik, meaning if Manik takes 1 time, Rahul will take 2 time. and thrice as much as Sachin, meaning if Sachin takes 1 time, Rahul will take 3 times. This is the ratio of time taken by Manik to Rahul and Rahul to Sachin. So what is the continuous ratio of time? We know. What do? Go for the GA method, multiply like GA, multiply like GA. This is what I taught you. This is what I taught you in my video class. So 3:6:2 is the time ratio. So this is the time ratio. This is the ratio of time taken by Manik to Rahul to Sachin. 3:6:2. If 3:6:2 is the time ratio, what is the efficiency ratio? Efficiency ratio will be inverse of it. So how will you inverse? Listen, 2:3. How will you inverse? We know that when we inverse it is 3:2. How do we get that? Take the LCM, 6. 6 by 2, 3, 6 by 3, 2. That is it. So this is how we inverse the ratio. So time ratio is 3:6:2. So what is the inverse ratio? How can we inverse it? Take the LCM, 3:6:2, LCM is 6. So the efficiency ratio is 6 by 3, 2, 6 by 6, 1, 6 by 2, 3. This is the efficiency ratio. So we know that Rahul's efficiency is 1, Manik's efficiency is 2, and Sachin's efficiency is 3. This is the efficiency ratio. So now let me find out how long each one of them take to do the job. What is the total job? Total job, if working together, they can do the job in 4 days. If they work together, they will have 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6 efficiency. 6 efficiency. Total efficiency is Manik 2, Rahul 1, Sachin 3. So if they work together, we will have 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6 efficiency available. 6 efficiency 4 days means this is the total work. We know that work is efficiency into time. 6 efficiency 4 days. 6 into 4, 24 work is what they have to do. Now how long will Rahul take? How long will Manik take? How long will Sachin take? That is what we need to know. To do 24 work, Rahul having 1 efficiency will take 24 by 1, 24 days. Rahul will take 24 days. Manik, let us see. To do 24 job, 6 into 4, 24 job, Manik, who is having 2 efficiency, will take 24 by 2, 12. Sorry, it is not days, it is hours. The answer is in hours. Sachin, 24 job, Sachin is having 3 efficiency, so Sachin will take 24 by 3, 8 hours. So this is our answer. Rahul 24 hours, Manik 12 hours, Sachin 8 hours. Which is the choice? 24, 12 and 8. The first option is your answer. Congratulations to those who got the first option as answer, but others need not get disappointed at all. We have just started. So let us do wonders by learning together. So keep ready for the next question. I am going to start the next question soon. Let me start my timer. So the 8th question starts right now. Yes, the time has 30 seconds is completed. Let the answers come. A and B do the job in 9 days, B and C 12 days, A and C 18 days. If all of them work together, how long will they take to do the job? Okay, one person got 8 as answer, second choice. Okay, 8 days. Okay, good. Let more responses come. Good. Many people give the second choice. or 8 days is answer, both are the same. So, let us see. I am going to do this question in mind first. A and B 9 days, B and C 12 days, A and C 18 days. Immediately my total work is the LCM 36. 9, 12 and 18, LCM is 36. So, these people are asked to do 36 job. A plus B's efficiency is 4, 36 by 9. B plus C's efficiency is 3, 36 by 12. A plus C's efficiency is 2, 36 by 8. So, when I add them up, A plus B plus B plus C plus A plus C, or 2 times A plus B plus C will be 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 by 2, 4.5. So, 36 work, 9 by 2 efficiency will take 36 divided by 9 by 2, or 36 into 2 by 9, 8 days answer. So, those who have given the second option or 8 days are correct, they are correct. So, let us begin. I am going to start. A plus B, you call 8 plus B, they will do the job in 9 days. You call B plus C, they will do the job in 12 days. You call A plus C, they will do the job in 18 days. So, immediately my total work, I can assume anything as the total work, I assume it as 36, work is 36. Where did I get 36 from? LCM of the days taken by independent groups. So, what is A plus B's efficiency? 36 by 9, 4, B plus C 36 by 12, 3, A plus C 36 by 18, 2. So, if all of them work together, how much efficiency do we have? I am going to add them up. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9. What is that? The 9 is 2 times A plus 2 times B plus 2 times C, or 2 times A plus B plus C is what 9 is. Then the combined efficiency of A, B and C, A plus B plus C will be 9 by 2. This is the question you are asked. If all of these people work together, how long will they take? They are asked to do 36 work, and who does this 36 work? A plus B plus C having 9 by 2 efficiency. So, 9 by 2 efficiency. This is your answer. 36 by 9 by 2, or 36 into 2 by 9, 4 2s are 8 days is your answer. I think you have understood this question. Okay. Have you all understood? Hello, say yes. Please say yes before I move on to my next question. Hello, I need response. Good, good to hear. Yes, good. Okay, Shruti, okay, Arifa, Deepa, very good. Gauri Lakshmi, very good. Oh yes, thank you. Fine, good. So I am proceeding with my next question, and your timer starts right now. Yes, the time is over. Let the answers come. A relatively simpler question. Third option 27 days, okay. First option 21 days, 27, third option, okay. So many people opt for third option. So let that be the answer. Let us begin. A is twice as good a workman as B. So there are two people, A and B. Why is A twice as good a workman as B? Because A's efficiency is double. It has to be double. So as far as efficiency is concerned, If B is having 1 efficiency, A must have 2. That is why we say that A is twice as good as B as far as working ability is concerned. Together they finish the work in 18 days. Together they do the job in 18 days. Together they have got 3 efficiency. So 3 efficiency 18 days means this is the total work, 54 work. 3 efficiency 18 days. Now who does this job? A. How long will A? A is having 2 efficiency. To do this much work, 2 efficiency will take this much time. We know that time is work by efficiency. So 3 into 18, 54 is the work, 2 efficiency is doing that. So 54 by 2, 27 days will be taken by A. That is the answer. Okay, now I am moving on to my last question of the day. I hope this is very clear to you all. Let the timer be started. It starts right now. The 30 seconds starts right now. Yes, the time is up. The time is up. Again, it is a very simpler question. Let the answers come. Okay, Shruti, 7.5 days. Asha, first choice. Adira, first option. Yes, good, 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 good. Thomas, first option. Bhuvanesh Kumar, first option. Reshma, very good, very good, very good, very good. Rosie, Aravind, good, good, good. That all of you have a very good number of people have responded. So let me start. A can do a job in 12 days. You call A, he will do the job in 12 days. B is 60% more efficient than A. So there are 2 people, A and B. As far as efficiency is concerned, B is 60% more efficient means if A's efficiency is 100, B is having 160 efficiency, or 5:8 is the efficiency ratio. If A is having 5 efficiency, B is having 8 efficiency. Right. So how long will B alone take to do the job? We know that A who is having 5 efficiency, A who is having 5 efficiency will take 12 days. So this is the total work. Work is efficiency into time. A who is having 5 efficiency takes 12 days means 5 into 8, 5 into 12 is the total work. Work is efficiency into time, 5 into 12. Who does this job? B does this job. We know that B is having 8 efficiency. So this is your answer. 5 into 8, sorry 5 into 12, 60 work, 8 efficiency will take 60 by 8, 30 by 4, 15 by 2, 7.5 days is your answer, 7.5 days. Very good, the first option. So I am very happy to begin this particular session, but I am very much unhappy that not even 1/20th of the students have joined the class. Out of a little more than 2000 students who are studying, the viewers are very few, but you all have been asking us for online classes. I expect all of you to work. I expect all of you to participate. During these times of COVID, I know that all of you are locked up in your home and there is no other go. Listen, as I told you even earlier, anybody can see up to the wall. Can you see beyond the wall? That is a question. So exams are coming. exams are coming a lot. Clerical examination, officer examination. State Bank of India is expected to call soon for its probation officers 2021. Exams are going to be in the month of January, it is said. We don't know. The preliminary is going to be in the month of January and the mains are going to be in the month of March. So this is the right time to prepare, and mind you, the National Recruitment Board's common eligibility test is also coming. That is expected in the month of February, March. We don't know, these could be speculations, but these are all what the rumors are. Anyway, you got to really work hard, work with a kind of a passion, work with a kind of a focus, then success shall definitely come to you. We are all just pointers. The institutions or the teachers are just pointers. We can only show you the way, but you have to amass energy and run. So once again, thank you very much. We shall come again with a lot of questions. So tomorrow at 12 o'clock my general awareness session is there. We shall announce soon your sessions on other topics too. Thank you very much. Thank you all.